just had one on. I got my first fish, I think. There we go. I got my first fish. There it is. Yeah, baby. Look at this. And do you believe it? It's a striped bass. That is unbelievable. That is unbelievable. A striped bass. You see that, people? Got a rockfish. It's my first one. Let's make sure that this is recording. Yep. You see this, people? A rockfish from Maryland. That's a striped bass. Awesome. Got that trolling on a Gulf shrimp. Crap. Now I'm going to get it all tangled up in this line. Awesome. I got my lines tangled up because I had another one out trolling. Now I was worried about the fish, now I gotta get these lines untangled. That's pretty cool. First fish is a rockfish here in Florida. Unbelievable. That's for you, Eric. All right. Awesome. That was awesome. GoPro, stop recording.